Welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're going to do a quick and easy four-leaf clover shamrock. So get your green marker, get your green crayon, green pencil, and let's get started. So we'll start in the middle here. We'll go up, up, down, down, okay? And we're just going to connect these little hearts. Okay? Start from the center. We'll do these lines that go out to the leaves. And that's basically it. I'm going to take a lighter color green and color that in. We'll see how that turns out. Take a black marker. We're just going to do an outline.